Hey guys, this is Mojo and welcome to another episode of Artist Tips and Tricks from Future Culture Records. And this time I'm gonna be sharing a little trick that I use on some of my productions using Ableton Live. So let's get right into the computer and show you how it's done. Yeah, we have a project here, a quick idea that I just made. And today I'm just gonna show you how to get some melodies to sync up with your drums. In an unconventional way that might spark new rhythmic ideas for your melodies. So I'm gonna mute these two tracks and I'm gonna show you. I have a drum kit playing here, just a simple 909 pattern. So I'm playing it now. As you can see, we have some kick drums right here. We have a few claps. We have a rim shot, some hi-hats, and a little tom. So it's a pretty basic groove, just so that I can show you how I do this. Then next to that we have this chord playing, and if I play it, it sounds like this. Right, so just like long sustained notes, as you can see, we're just playing sustained notes right there. And yeah, I've created a bass line for that too. So if we play with the bass line, right, so I've just made, that's the right bass line. So I'm gonna duplicate that so we can have it in all scenes. Yeah, so for right now we just have a sustained chord and bass line and some beats. So I'm gonna stop it and I'm gonna show what I applied on the chords. So first of all, I mean, this just has a chord device so that I can play some housey chords right there. And the real trick comes here, where I'm assigning a gate to those chords. And the gate, I'm using the sidechain function of the gate. And then I sidechain that to part of the drum kit. So as you can see, I have assigned it to the 909 kit, and I've assigned it to the rim shot. So when that happens, you basically the gate is gonna mute the chords and it's gonna open only when the rim shot hits. So it sounds like this. Right, and you can control that, kind of like the envelope of it, with the release of the gate. Make it really short. So you can automate that also in the arrangement. You can also control the attack. Make it less aggressive or more attacky. Right. So as you can see, we're playing the first scene. Now if I play the second scene, I've applied some more rim shots to that. So it's gonna play a little bit of a different rhythm that matches with the rim shots. And in the third scene, I've applied some more rim shots. Right, and then we can make it really short if we want. Apply a little bit of filtering. some delay. Then we can play with the release. We could also group the gate with the filter and assign those to a macro. So we can assign the filter to macro 1 and the release of the gate to macro 1 as well. So now they're both gonna move together. So if I make, probably that's alright. If I close it all the way, I could set a minimum in the macro as well. If I map these and open this up and set a minimum of the release to, let's see, let's close it all the way down and let's set a minimum about there, 9 milliseconds, about that. And then on the frequency of the filter we can assign a minimum of about let's say 500 hertz. So yeah, that's the trick. As you can see, it helps you kind of like sync your melodies or your chords to a rhythmic element from your drum kit, and it can sound pretty tight and make things sound more in context. So I hope you find it useful, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks.